general conference at North Vallai, which is about 170 kilometers from Aizawl. So there was a huge gathering of the YMA members and leaders. We have the general conference. Several agendas were discussed and resolved. So those kind of activities are just being displayed here. Any new activities, the photo will be printed and then again we display it here in this room. The Central Young Mizo Association, the apex organization for the Mizo society in the state of Mizoram and its neighboring states. We are extremely happy and grateful to YTA having a visit to the state of Mizoram. We understand that the Young Tripura Association, Tripuri Association is being established for the welfare of the Tripura society, and we will always support and extend support whatever is needed in between the two organizations. We should work hand in hand and look for the betterment of the society in the states of Tripura and Mizoram. And also I would like to give my gratitude to the heads of the organization who could bear all the pain, who bears all the pain to reach Mizoram and met the YMA leaders. And I'm sure that this will come out and help us for the whole organization as a very fruitful meeting. Thank you.
Belaikena hambai Tripuri khorang nai tong nai ta hukte bukuk sona sini channel tabu bonorok subscribe khlaya khong khang ken daktino subscribe khlai di job ton sai sakang video norok nugna bagai abani bagi ta makhlai video ni tola norok nugo yagra phai sing subscribe ni suija kasak khlai abona click khlai di click khlai mani loge loge no kaisa bell hai khlai nugjaga na nukjaka a bell click khlai re click khlai re kha ke sing video upload khlai mani loge loge no norok video nugana joton sai sakang nugana abani bagai belakeno hambai nai tong di